have a lot of a lot of blues here. So I am playing with the technique that I did with the neon rainbow pour. I don't know if you remember. I might need to stick blend this. This is very loose. I don't know. We'll see. Sorry. But this time, instead of rainbows, I'm doing all sorts of blue. And basically, I want it to look like an ocean. I'm going to use my Orca embed. And I'm hoping that it will stand out in these blues with the way it swirls. I didn't want to lighten this up too much. I don't know. I just felt like it was deep ocean they're swimming in and it should be a little bit darker. So that was my plan. I kind of feel like I need to go stick blend this just a tad. These are a bit too fluid for my liking at the moment. I'll be right back. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of each color in here and do this repetitively. Of course, this one's getting thick. I shouldn't have stick blended that one. That one has titanium dioxide in it, so not surprising. And yeah, we'll see what I get with this. This is gonna be interesting, I think. Hopefully cool interesting. Okay. Here we go. And then I also somehow have to get mama and baby embedded as I'm pouring this. Isn't the top pretty? Let's cut this and see what we get inside. Let's hope everything went the way it was supposed to. Look at that. I was pretty perfect with lining up those embeds. Okay. What do we have? Well, that's interesting. You can see the orcas. So first off, that's a win. They're not hidden or too dark with the blue. Up a little air gap there. This is not really what I expected from the swirl. It's totally fine. I mean, it's ocean. It's just not what I was expecting. I think because it was a little thick when I got to pouring it. That's why I have more clumps of color and less of this fine little swirls of color. I think it's fun. Mama and her baby. It's cute. It stands out. That was my biggest worry. Up, another little air gap. It's definitely not quite what like I said, was expecting swirl-wise, but that's okay. I'll take it. It's a win. Haha. Let me know what you think. That one's cute. It's funny how the bars are so different from one side to the other too. You gotta love swirling. Yeah, let me know what you think.